iOS 10 was an OS update that largely ignored the iPad, but Apple made up for it in iOS 11 with a range of iPad-only features that cater to users who want to use the tablet as a full PC replacement. In addition to the new Files app, there are several other new features in iOS 11 that iPad users have long wanted. The dock on the iPad has been expanded in iOS 11, and it is a lot more like the dock on the Mac. Before the iOS 11, the dock was only accessible from the home screen, but now it is persistent and can be pulled up in any app. A quick swipe up from the bottom iPad's display will bring up the dock regardless of what you are doing on the iPad, which makes accessing your favorite apps and switching between them much faster. The dock is able to hold up to 13 apps along with the user's most recently used app and continuity icons when using handoff. The dock can be used for multitasking purposes. Bringing up the dock while using an app and then dragging a dock icon upwards will pop up a new window. The secondary window can be used for a quick task and then swiped away, or it can be pulled into a slide over or split view window. Accessible with a double tap on the home button or a double upward screen swipe, the app switcher is similar to Mission Control on the Mac. It shows the dock and a tilted view of the apps that are open, with the most recently used apps at the forefront. The app switcher is where the control center is located on the iPad. Control center icons are at the right of the app switcher display, giving iPad users a streamlined way to access apps and change settings all in one location. A tap and a hold with finger initiates a drag action, while another finger can be used to bring up the dock or access the home screen to open up another app where the item being dragged can be dropped. Drag and drop is especially useful in split view mode, where it is simple to drag files between two open apps on the iPad's display. Multiple items can be dragged and dropped at the same time. The keyboard on the iPad now uses flicks as a way to enter numbers and symbols without the need to use Shift key. All of the keys now display both letters and numbers or symbols, and a downward swipe or a flick can be used to type a symbol or a number instead of the letter on the key. Typing symbols and numbers this way is simple and quicker than taking the time to use the Shift key. Now for the iPad Pro models, Apple Pencil support has been expanded with new features and functionality that allows it to work anywhere in the operating system, similar to a standard stylus or a finger. In previous versions of iOS, the Apple Pencil could only be used within certain apps, but there is a system-wide support in iOS 11. Instant markup is a feature that allows essentially anything on the iPad to be annotated using the Apple Pencil. Taking a screenshot, for example, now brings up a small icon in the corner of the screen, and a tap on the icon opens up a marker interface, where the screenshot can be edited using simple drawing tools. These marker features were designed to be used with the Apple Pencil on the iPad, but a finger works just as well. The Apple Pencil is not required. Instant markup is also available on the iPhone, where a finger or a stylus can be used for editing. Two other features have been added with the Apple Pencil in mind: Instant Notes and Inline Drawing. With Instant Notes, a tap of the Apple Pencil on the lock screen of the iPad Pro will automatically open up the Notes app, allowing you to quickly start a new document. Inline Drawing is available in the Notes and Mail and allows simple drawings to be added right inside of a note or an email message. But it also works on both iPhone and iPad without the pencil. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe us. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, hasta la vista.